Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Bola. Today is 23rd March 2022 and today our topic is Java hash map. Java hash map class implements the map interface which allows us to store key and value pairs where keys should be unique. If you try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the elements of the corresponding key. It is easy to perform operation using the key index like updation, deletion, etc. Hashmap class is found in the Java util package. Hashmap in Java is like the legacy hash table class, but it is not synchronized. It allows us to store the null elements as well, but there should be only one null key. Since Java 5 it is denoted as hash map by the value k and v, where k stands for key and v stands for the value. It inherits the abstract map class and implements the map interface and points to in this Java hash map contains value based on the key, and Java hash map contains only unique key. Java hash map may have one null key and multiple null values, and it does not synchronized, and Java hash map maintains no order. The initial default capacity of Java hash map class is 16 with the load factor of 0.75, and its hierarchy of hash map class as shown in the above, that hash map class extends abstract map class and it implements the map interface. Hash map class declarations. Let's see the declarations of hash map class, in which first one is a public class hash map which extends the abstract map by the kb, and it implements the map with the values k and v, clonable and serializable. Hash map class some parameters. Let's see the parameters of util Java util dot hash map. K, it is the type of keys maintained by this map, and v, it is a type of mapped values which constructors of Java hash map class, in which some constructors which we used and above the description. First one is hash map. It is used to construct a default hash map, and hash map extends k and extends the value v. It is used to initialize the hash map by using the elements of the given map by the object m, and hash map int capacity. It is used to initialize the capacity of the hash map to the given integer value, and hash map int capacity float. It is used to initialize both the capacity and load factor of the hash map by using its arguments. And methods of Java hash map. In this, first method is void clear. It is, and the description is, it is used to remove all the mapping from this map. And second method is boolean is empty. It is used to return true if this map contains no keys value mapping. Third method is object clone. It is used to return the shallow copy of this hash map instance, that the key and the values themselves are not cloned. And fourth one is set entry set. This method it is used to return the collection view of the mapping contained in this map. Fifth one method is set key set. It is used to return a set view and the keys contained in this map, and we for fifth one is we put object key value of, it is used to insert the entry in the map, and we remove